Today, we're unboxing the KEELAT 5.5-inch Cordless Circular Saw, a heavy-duty electric cutter designed for wood, plastic, and other DIY materials. This compact saw combines portability with power, making it perfect for both professionals and home users. Inside the box, we have the user manual, the circular saw unit, a 5.5-inch blade, the battery pack, and a charger. Everything is neatly packed and ready to assemble. The saw runs on an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, offering strong cutting performance without the hassle of cords. It features a solid metal base plate, a comfortable ergonomic grip, and adjustable settings for cutting depth and angle. The motor delivers smooth operation with low vibration, giving precise, clean cuts. It handles wood and plastic with ease, making it versatile for construction, renovation, and craft projects. Overall, the KEELAT 5.5-inch Cordless Circular Saw is a reliable, heavy-duty tool that's easy to use, durable, and built for efficient cutting anytime, anywhere. For more KEELAT power tools, check the link in the description and subscribe for future reviews.